from Pakistan sitting down, even on an issue as sensitive as whether or not Wing Commander Abhinandan should be returned back to India. India put its foot down and said there is going to be absolutely no compromise on terrorism. And Sakal, just quickly before I toss it out to you, we're beginning to hear some slogans being raised right here at Wagah border by these people who are eagerly waiting for their hero to make their return. Back to you in the studio, Sakal, for now.
Yes, keep talking to us, Nalini, because
yes, Sakal. So right now we're getting you visuals of these.
Yes.
Yes, Sakal, we're getting you right now. We're getting you visuals of all of these people who've begun singing songs. The dhol is beating now. There's a lot of music and dancing, and Anup is getting you visuals of that. That's the kind of excitement that all of these people are in right now, knowing that they are just minutes away from their hero finally coming back home. Of course, there are a lot of Indian flags being waved all throughout this place where people have gathered. A lot of security cover, and people are just excited about exactly how Wing Commander Abhinandan is making a return back to his home country in a record time, in a safe and secure manner, because that is what seems to be the most important aspect here. Ever since he was taken into custody, what was on everybody's mind was that despite everything, despite what is happening between India and Pakistan, our officers who are serving the nation, who are only and only doing their duty, should not face the brunt of it. There was a massive wave of sadness that had spread throughout the country after we'd seen 40 CRPF officials being lost in the Pulwama attack, and India was just not ready to see another defense officer actually be sacrificed, especially in name of terrorism. But despite that, India has maintained a very strong stand against terrorism. They've clearly shown Pakistan that there'll be no compromise when it comes to that aspect, and the security, Sakal, as we're speaking, is being heightened right outside the integrated checkpost. Once again, just to point out, that is going to be the checkpost. This is the last checkpost before you cross over to the border. The border is just about a kilometer away from here, the India-Pakistan border. And this is the final checkpost here. And it is that checkpost where the army contingent as well as the Air Force contingent is present and is ready to receive Wing Commander Abhinandan when he returns. His family is there, his well-wishers are there. And just in a few minutes from now, we can see the first visuals of that hero who's made the entire country and each and every citizen proud today just by doing his duty and being who he is.
Nalini reporting live, continues to stay with us. Beef up in security quite expectedly, but what is important to note is that any moment, any second, as reported by Nandini, we will get to see the first visuals of our hero's massive and grand homecoming. There's going to be an Indian Air Force team that's already there, present to receive him. Nalini, what more can you tell us? We're picking up that some formalities are being completed as of now. There's going to be a medical, and after that is going to be handed over to the Indian Air Force team that's there to receive him. What more do we know about the drill and the protocol there?
Well, Sakal, we're given to understand that Wing Commander Abhinandan has reached the Pakistan border, the Wagah border, I beg your pardon, on the Pakistan side. What that essentially means is that all of the formalities from the Pakistan side have been completed. Of course, throughout the course of the day, we were seeing multiple meetings happening not only in Pakistan but also in India, and also to figure out exactly what the modalities and what the essentialities of Wing Commander Abhinandan returning back to his home country are going to be. But all of that seems to have been completed by now. He is at the Pakistan end of the Wagah border. He is going to go through a small medical checkup there just to ensure that he's safe and secure, and he's absolutely fine. And soon after that, we can expect him to cross over the Wagah border and enter the Indian territory officially. Yes, sir.
Nalini, continue to talk to us. Wing Commander Abhinandan, remember, his MiG-21 jet was shot at and he bailed out after bringing down one Pakistani F-16 fighter during a dogfight to repel a Pakistani attack. And within 24 hours, we're going to get our hero back safe and sound. Live coverage from Wagah Atari border, remember. Nalini of Republic TV continues to report non-stop. We stay with Nalini because any time from now, as Nalini reports, our air warrior will be home. His family, Nalini, were telling us, are there. But more than family, I mean, look at the huge crowd that awaits him. I mean, what a spectacular message as a country we are sending out.
Absolutely, Sakal. There is a lot of excitement, there is a lot of anticipation in the air right now. Of course, people are celebrating. People are very, very eager, not just to see Wing Commander Abhinandan step back into the home country, but also as a way of showing gratitude to him for serving the nation on a daily basis, for every single day that he's been a pilot in the Indian Air Force of the past 16 years. And Sakal, this is not just about Wing Commander Abhinandan. If you focus on it, because there are so many people who felt that they need to express their gratitude towards the forces, especially under the kind of recent tensions that we've seen happen not only after the Pulwama attack, but also because of the India-Pakistan relations being strained. So this is the way that the common citizen is out on the street to express his gratitude, to express his thankfulness to the Indian forces for serving day in and day out, for serving their country and for ensuring that the country is kept first, the country is kept supreme. And that is why we've been standing with our forces ever since the beginning. And that is why we are...
Yes, Nalini, I'm not interrupting you. I want you to elaborate on, we can see a step up as far as BSF deployment near the Atari gate is considered. You know, there's a lot of movement there now. So can we say that the formalities on the Pakistan side of the border, the formalities at the medical check-up formalities we were talking about are almost about to get over, and this is the moment that we've been waiting for, isn't it?
Absolutely, Sakal. Anup is getting you live visuals of the BSF security right at the integrated checkpost that is being stepped up as we speak. Of course, large amount of BSF officials present right outside the checkpost, and it's not just outside the checkpost, but throughout this road, you can see at equal distance Punjab police officials standing by, just awaiting Wing Commander Abhinandan's return. So yes, it seems to be that the process is moving forward really swiftly, and we can expect for Wing Commander Abhinandan to make a return anytime soon. It is inside that integrated checkpost outside which you can see these BSF security officials standing by and waiting. It is inside that checkpost that the army contingent as well as the Air Force contingent went in just a few minutes back to ensure that they are there present to receive Wing Commander Abhinandan as soon as he returns. In fact, we are also seeing the Punjab police officials right outside the integrated checkpost, ensuring that all of the security is in place, checking the status of the security as we speak, and they are also asking for any bystanders to please move away from the road, because I believe this is going to be the road, the visuals of which we are getting to you throughout the border, which people are standing waiting to see Wing Commander Abhinandan once again. It's going to be through this road that the contingent is going to pass after Wing Commander Abhinandan is finally brought back to the country. So it's here that the entire security has been deployed. Of course, there are people holding up garlands, there are people holding up banners, there are people holding up posters. In fact, there are even people holding up Wing Commander Abhinandan's pictures just as a show of support and a show of gratitude, not only towards this one Air Force pilot, but towards every single defense officer who served the country. Yeah.
He's actually lived up to his name, Abhinandan, respect. Abhinandan, welcome. Abhinandan, greetings. Nalini, continue to talk to us a bit more about the emotions, especially those who are present there. Remember Wagah Atari, this is the time when Wagah Atari witnesses the beating the retreat ceremony, and this is no less than that, because considering you have Dol Nagaras there to welcome him, and the kind of people that have turned up in large numbers, sends across one message that nation was with our soldiers, with Abhinandan, it is with Abhinandan, and all Abhinandans and all our men in uniform, all our men in uniform.
Absolutely, Sakal, and that is precisely the reason why you're seeing so much joy in the air right now. It's almost unprecedented for something like this to happen, for people to come out on the streets when they're awaiting a hero's return.